Hello everyone. Today we will see bubble sort. So to do bubble sort, we have one integer array. Let's create one method to sort the array using bubble sort algorithm. So we'll create one method sort arr and we'll pass the array into it. Sorry, array into it. And now STS will give us one method like sort arr create by its own. Now Now we'll calculate length of the array. So we'll define one length variable and calculate the length of array using length variable. Okay. So now we need two for loops. First is to iterate over the array, and second is for comparing each element. So first it will iterate over the array, and then second to compare each element. Now, but here we can iterate we have to iterate the second for loop array of length minus I minus 1 because we are performing the operation on two elements. So we need to minus that two elements from the length. Otherwise, we will get an exception. So now we'll take ARR of j in temp, like element of ARR of j. We'll save it in temp and no, first we will now we'll compare. Now we'll give one condition like we if ARR of J is greater than ARR of J plus 1. So if the current element is greater than the next element, then we will swap the elements. So for swapping, we will take one temp variable and we'll save current element error of j into the temp, and in ARR of j we will swap the element of ARR of j plus 1. Means next element we will store in current element current position. So j plus 1. Now element at index j plus 1 will get stored at ARR of j, and now we will set the ARR of j plus 1 equals to 10. Uh, so the element at ARR of j plus 1 will be the temp variable. So now if we print an array, so we will use for loop to fetch the elements from array and we will do this out. So our return type is int, so elements from ARR, right? So if we do this out and we'll print ELE, we should get sorted elements of an array. So we'll run the program, we see output. So array is sorted. So here basically we are comparing for each element to the next element, like 34 for in first iteration 34 will get compared to 78. 34 is not greater than 78, but 78 is greater than 2. So in this case uh, this will be your temp, and this will be in J plus 1. So in J, in location of J, we will swap this 2, and we will swap this 78 to J plus 1. That is 78 is temp variable. So likewise, bubble sorting we can do.